The Safety Specialist division now comprises businesses across Australia and New Zealand. In Australia, the focus has been on working closer with and helping customers reduce the cost of doing business. For New Zealand, programs aimed at broadening the safety customer base resulted in growth, especially in the food and transport industries. With the addition and rebranding of GreenCap to the safety portfolio, an exciting platform to enable new business opportunities and greater synergies has been provided.
So GreenCap is certainly a significant step for Wesfarmers Industrial and Safety and the safety specialists in working with customers in identifying risk, helping them manage out that risk, and then providing the right training to support that. The three key areas that we need to focus on with our own organisation and then consequently with our customers is making sure we've got the right product and our customers using the right product for the right task. And then we're backing that up with very strong delivery performance. Secondly, it's about making sure our customers and our own people have the right training to be able to use those products. And then thirdly, it's about are we managing out and identifying risks that could be done far more efficiently and then consequently far safer in our own organisation and again for our customers and their businesses.
The adoption of a new brand positioning statement across the safety division has added clarity, focus and greater value in how we wish to be regarded in the safety service marketplace.
The protecting people every day is an important part of what we live and breathe in our business. And if we don't believe in that and really make sure that that's our mantra in our business and at home, then our customers, they're not going to come on the journey with us.
Over the last year, the Industrial Specialist Division and the diverse teams within it achieved a great deal in preparation for growth.
In Coregas, we've had aggressive growth in Northern Queensland, Western Australia and Papua New Guinea, and in partnering with Blackwoods and Bunnings. In Bullivants and in Packaging House, we've been adjusting to the new realities of our customer and competitive environments. We've streamlined operations, we've targeted new customers, and we've increased our imports. In Fasteners, we've had a major restructure to integrate more closely with Blackwoods, and I'm pleased with the benefits we've seen in sales and in sourcing.
For industrial specialists to build on the success achieved thus far, it's important to retain our business fundamentals and core values.
We must ensure a safe operating environment and safe products. We need to target our major customers, our maxes, for growth. We need to match our products and services technical specifications to our customers' needs, and we need to operate as a lean organisation. But I think if we can execute upon our plans, then we're in for a good year.
Despite challenging market conditions in Australia, the Generalist Division, with its broad range of industrial products and services and extensive footprint, has seen significant developments over the last year on both sides of the Tasman.
We've opened 3 new facilities in Australia, the biggest being our Greystanes facility that's opened and running. It has state-of-the-art technology from Europe and I think positions the business really strongly for the next 12 to 18 months. We invested in our people. We've rolled out the customer service training program, seeing some good results from that, and are starting to roll out the Kill the Red program for the sales force. That's all about share of wallet, and again I expect we'll get some great results from that. In terms of financial performance, a number of our branches have made targets, and that's fantastic in these challenging market conditions. And I'd particularly like to note Blackwoods Protector. They had a great result, hit their target, hit their budgets. That result's probably been building for a couple of years, but good to see it come home in the last 12 months.
While the outlook remains positive, there are 3 key initiatives in focus for Blackwoods and Blackwoods Protector. The first being our service levels.
I think there's more to do, and we're going to introduce some things called sales and operations planning and looking at our supply chain in much greater detail to drive higher service levels, which will be a bigger value to our customer. The second key initiative is around our cost to serve. Customers, particularly at the large end of town, are looking for better value, and generally that means lower prices. So we've got to improve our competitiveness and look at our cost to serve across all elements of the companies. Our third initiative is about our customers. It's about growing our revenue base. And there are 2 elements. It's to maintain what we're doing at the large end of town, and that's through our national key account management teams, working with our regional sales teams. But very importantly, we want to focus on the small to medium customers that are in our marketplace.
Fundamental to our success is teamwork, including collaboration and communication between our Australian and New Zealand businesses.
And underpinning the whole effort has to be safety. Can I ask, as you come to work each and every day, that you keep safety at the forefront of your mind?
The many teams providing support to our businesses have also been active and challenged over the last year, including implementing new business systems for strategic and operational growth. This includes the successful ERP system rollout across New Zealand.
It's going to give us more efficiencies, not just in the IT team, but also in the business as a whole. We can create a workflow that will allow us to streamline the processes for our users, making their life a lot easier. The project was definitely a collaborative process. We engaged early on with the whole business. They were involved in the testing. They gave us all the feedback so that we could deliver to the max.
With the project to replace the current ERP system for many of our Australian businesses, work has commenced to assemble the development and implementation team.
I think the ERP project is a fantastic opportunity for our business. It'll bring us new and easier and more efficient ways of doing things, which will be an enabler for us to support and to meet the needs of our Maxes. There's going to be the first, say, roughly 19 months of the project where we're going to design the new system and the new ways of doing things, and then importantly after that, we're going to be rolling out and training all our people across our businesses.
Customised e-business solutions and better, more effective ways to communicate with our Maxes, as well as improve overall customer experience, have been on the agenda.
It's been a really exciting year. We've been working with the business on a clothing entitlement solution, which enables customers to allocate a spend allowance to their employees, which drives compliance from their side, but equally it's a great sales opportunity for our teams to be able to go and proactively target those employees that haven't spent their allocated allowance. We've got fantastic opportunities here at Wiz across all of our business units, and we're doing some fantastic work with New Zealand as well.
Hi, Mitchell Johnson here. Thanks for inviting me to be part of the Wiz Max program. With the best people and a great strategy, there is no one that can beat Wesfarmers Industrial and Safety team.